If I had to start over again from scratch with absolutely nothing, this is exactly what I would do in 2025. No fancy storefronts, no expensive tools, just a simple proven game plan that actually works in 2025 and beyond. Let's get right into it. Now, I remember when I first got started with affiliate marketing, I was completely overwhelmed. Okay, I really was. So many people were shouting about websites, storefronts like your Beacons, your Standstore, your Linktree, etc. Not there's anything wrong with them, okay? But when you're getting started, you don't need stuff like that. It's just going to add to your expenses and overwhelm you. You don't need that when you're getting started. But everybody was singing and dancing about it because it looks pretty. You don't need pretty. You need something that works. Okay, so free and paid ads. People were talking about free ads, paid ads, all of this. And honestly, I just wanted something simple. Okay, something that I could do without worrying about tech too much. So I wasted a lot of time. I wasted money. And if I had to do it all again, this is exactly how I would do it properly. So pay attention. This is going to help you. Step one, pick one good affiliate program with real support. Don't go promoting random and Amazon links or things you wouldn't buy yourself. All right. So pick a quality program or product that actually teaches people how to succeed. I'll link my top picks below this video so you can go and check them out. Set up a simple lead system. Now, you don't even need a website. Okay. These days, right away, certainly you don't need a website. That's going to just cause you a tech headache. Believe me, you don't want to be doing that. Use a free tool like System.io. Again, I'll leave a link for that below so you can go and grab yourself a free account and set up an email funnel builder all in one, okay, for free. I'll leave that below for you. So you can even use something like a Google Doc, okay, and just host your links on a Google Doc. Works perfectly fine. And that can bring people into your opt-in page as well. So pointing people to something of value. That's the key, okay? Like a free training or a challenge, not just a product link, okay? Step three, focus on one platform to start. For me, it was TikTok. Then I added YouTube Shorts and Instagram a bit later on. And the reason I did that is because short form content reaches more people a lot faster. So one good video, as an example, can get thousands of views while you're asleep, whilst you're out with family, whilst you're walking the dog, whatever it might be. It's going to have that reach ability for you. So step four, post consistently, but stop overthinking it. Okay, just post. Just do it, as Nike would say. Forget going viral at first. That's not what's important here. You need practice, not perfection. If you can post, say, 3 to 5 short videos a week, sharing value, you're already ahead of 95% of people. So who say they want to build income, but never really actually get going and take action. Okay, so you're already there if you just do that. Step 5, and most people miss this, build an email list from day one. Don't miss that opportunity. Even if you only get 5 people in that first week, those are your people, your potentially perfect customer. Okay, so social media platforms can shut you down like that. Okay, but your list is yours. If you're not building an email list, you're not building a business. That's how you build long-term success. Okay, build your list, so important. And my final tip for today, short video today, guys, the truth is it's simple, but it's not easy. Okay, but if I can do it, then 100% you can do it too. All right, it's not difficult. When I say it's not easy, you've just got to be consistent and you've got to get through the grind sometimes. And you're going to have ups and you're going to have downs, okay? But you've got to push through those moments when you think, is this going to work for me? Of course it's going to work for you. You just got to show consistency and take the right guidance at the right stage of your path, and you will come out on the other side. I've linked my free guide below. Just to help you out today, get started today, have a look at it, download the free guide, read it at your own leisure, okay? Along with access to my favorite programs that I talk about all the time. Go and check them out, watch the videos, see what resonates with you. But download my free guide to get started anyway. And if you've got any questions, please do reach out to me, leave some comments. If you got value from this, of course, please do subscribe. I am going to try and up my game when it comes to my YouTube channel now. So hit the button down below, hit that like button, hit the share if you want, but please do subscribe. Let's build this thing together, okay? I'm here to support you. And I'll see you on the next video. Take care.